moment that one of your parents starts to develop these symptoms and you start to see them go downhill, it's devastating.
Neil Hames knew his father, Walter, was dying. But one of the cruelest realities of coronavirus is families can't even spend their final hours together.
And my dad died on his own. I couldn't go with him. I had to watch him go off in an ambulance. I was standing on the pavement, I had to watch him go.
Walter died 2 hours after arriving at the hospital in Birmingham. More people are dying from COVID-19 in the West Midlands than in any other region outside London. Wolverhampton has seen a worryingly high number of deaths. Here, a sports centre is being transformed into a food distribution hub. Boxes of essentials will be delivered to more than 30,000 people in the city considered at risk of serious illness.
Obviously, the further north you get, people's health isn't as good in general. We know that. Inequalities remain. Economic factors are a huge issue to our own personal health.
The West Midlands has reported 30 new deaths, in addition to the 40 reported on Thursday, bringing the total to 120. There have been 37 deaths at the Royal Wolverhampton NHS Trust alone, more than at any other trust outside London. The city has a younger population than the England average, but significantly more people with underlying health conditions.
We're acutely aware that a lot of the challenges we have around things like smoking, which lead to heart disease and to lung disease, are leaving our populations extremely vulnerable to this.
The percentage of people who are dying after being diagnosed with COVID-19 here in the West Midlands is high. But that doesn't necessarily mean that people who contract the virus in this region are more likely to die. The government's chief scientific advisor has said for every 1 death, we can assume there are 1,000 cases, which means the high death rate here could indicate there are many thousands more people in the region who have the virus but haven't been diagnosed. As councils are told to house rough sleepers to protect them, this hotel has become a homeless shelter. But news that a mortuary is being built at Birmingham Airport with room for more than 1,500 bodies reinforces the grim reality this region is facing. Becky Johnson, Sky News in the West Midlands.